What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I need to always request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe, check out every video, click the bell icon. A slightly new one is join the Discord, so check the link below, join that, chat about sneakers. It's growing slowly. But yeah, let's just get straight into this one. So we've got a boring old Nike sportswear box. So it's all red with the white. Needs no introduction, you've seen it a million times. The information on the sticker: Nike Dunk Low Retro. The colorway is dark beetroot burgundy ash. 10.5 USA size, UK size 9.5, centimeters 28.5, BR 42.5, and Euro 44.5. Style code DJ6188600, and they are made in Vietnam. Yes. So the dark beetroot and burgundy ash. Wow, man, I love this colorway so much. So this is the burgundy, that's the beetroot. Let's get into it. I need to remember that, to be honest. I did have to do a few Googles to see which one's which, I'm not gonna lie. So we've got the beetroot at the bottom. Not gonna lie, it looks more burgundy to me, but we move. So we've got the beetroot at the bottom, so the whole sole, the standard dunk sole, beetroot colorway. Mid sole is just a standard white, which I really like, you know, clean Colgate white. We've got a massive Colgate white swoosh. Then we've got the dark beetroot on the back panel in leather. It's more of a smooth leather. And then on the back we've got the burgundy ash in a more tumbled type material. So a tumbled-ish leather, and then it's got a more tumbled leather on that quarter. Eye stays, everything else, the toe box is all, or the wrap around, whatever you want to call it, is all, you know, that's smooth. And then we've got the actual toe box in that same tumbled leather material. And then on the inside it's the same thing, so the smooth leather with the tumbled leather, and that Colgate white swoosh. Laces, same Colgate white. I really do like these laces more, because like when you just tie them, they just sit there nicely, they don't just flap around. And then we've got the normal standard dunk tongue, again in the same colorway. And the insole following that same thing. Very nice, man, I have to say. I really like this colorway. I'm gonna have to say 10/10 for the colorway, to be honest. Some things that threw me off is like little marks around the shoe, things like that. Like, I don't know if the lighting's gonna show it properly, but it's kind of like dented or indented. That's annoying. Also another thing is, you know, dunks are not the most comfortable for me. You know, you can see little loose stitching it and stuff like that. It is kind of annoying, you see that there as well. Quite odd, you know. QC checks need to be a bit more stricter. But I did get these for retail. I do believe they dropped quite a few months ago. Not gonna lie, I'm not into dunks like that, so I didn't even know that they're dropping. I just see random ones and grab them if I like the colorway. I don't really follow up, I'll just be honest. I'm not really into the hype like that. It's just certain colorways like this, I think, yeah, why not? But yeah, very nice colorway, I have to say. It's always a bonus getting something at retail, especially when it's quite nice like this. The way I'll style it, probably all black tracksuit, these on the bottom, I think they'll just pop. Like, they're loud but subtle at the same time. Like, they're not crazy bright colors, it's just, you know, good colors. But yeah, people, let me know what you think about these. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you rate them? Leave a comment like, subscribe, share, thumbs up, bell icon, join the Discord. Wait a few seconds, you'll see an on-foot video, and you'll also see an on-foot video posted separate. And yeah, that's all for me for today. And most importantly, take care, people.